movie bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Assemble! Rainbow Explorers, Part 2.
Oh no! I can't find my wallet in my hip pocket!
DeMarcus! I can't find my wallet either!
At the same time, screams from other animals were heard across Rainbow Meadows.
My pizza is gone.
My phone is missing!
Where's my strawberry cake?
In the chaos, Nancy the piggy, wearing a floral apron, came running over.
Excuse me, have you seen my daughter, Peggy the piggy?
Peggy the piggy? No, I haven't. DeMarcus, wait a minute!
Something suddenly popped into Marcus the zebra and Mr. Gideon the crocodile's minds. Both of them were so startled that beads of sweat streamed down from their foreheads.
This is really bad! Gideon and Lil Zebra are missing too!
Call Sheriff Labrador now!
After receiving an emergency call, Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman arrived at Rainbow Meadows in no time. The animals whose cell phones and snacks were stolen were stamping their feet in frustration, and the parents of the missing children were brimming with anxiety.
DeMarcus! Sheriff Labrador, please help find our 3 kids!
The thieves are so evil. They stole our money and snacks, and also our kids! Officer Doberman, you're a very fast runner. Please go and catch them.
Everybody calm down. There are only 2 ways to get out of Rainbow Meadows. Officer Doberman and I checked them both before coming here. We're certain that no animals have left Rainbow Meadows.
What? No animals have left? So the bad guys who stole the kids are still here?
DeMarcus, so where is my son?
They looked around the meadow, but there was nothing but calf-high green grass as far as the eye could see, and there was nowhere to hide.
Could it be that the bad guys have wings and flew away?
That's impossible. I was just lying on the grass looking at the sky. I would have noticed if even a fly flew by.
Hey now, this is really troubling. What happened here? Could it be that the bad guys know magic?
While everyone else was panicking, Sheriff Labrador was deep in thought, rubbing his chin.
There's no place to hide here at Rainbow Meadows, and no animals have left here. How did the bad guys disappear with 3 kids?
Sheriff Labrador's dark, round eyes instantly glistened.
Besides flying away, there's only one way to get out of here. I know how the bad guys escaped.